Good morning, my dear students of class 7th. Today we will start our exercise 1.1 of chapter 1, Integers. Our question number 1 is, following number line shows the temperature in degree Celsius at different places on a particular day. So you have given this number line with different places, and these numbers are the temperature in degree Celsius. So our first part is, observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Now, as you know, in the number line, on the left hand side of the 0 we have all the negative integers, and on the right hand side of the 0 we will have all the positive integers. So the temperature of Shimla, Ooty and Bangalore will be in positive, and the temperature of Srinagar and Lahul Spiti will be in negative. Now here we have the answer. By observing the given data, the temperature of these cities are as follow. Like, look at here for the Lahul Spiti. Now, as you know, the Lahul Spiti will lie here. So before 10 we will have -9 and then -8. Therefore, temperature of the Lahul Spiti will be -8 degrees Celsius. Now for Srinagar, as you can see, before -5 we will have -4, then -3, then -2. So the temperature of Srinagar is -2. Now for Shimla, you can see directly it is 5 degrees Celsius, Ooty it is 14 degrees Celsius, and for Bangalore directly it is 22 degrees Celsius. Here we have part B. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? As you know, the hottest place will be in the positive, that is Bangalore, which having temperature of 22 degrees Celsius, and the coldest places will be the one that having the lowest temperature, that is Lahul Spiti, which having a temperature of -8 degrees Celsius. Now to find the temperature difference between them, we have to subtract the temperature of Bangalore and Lahul Spiti. Now the temperature of Bangalore is 22 degrees Celsius and the temperature of Lahul Spiti is -8 degrees Celsius. The temperature difference is here. Now 22 minus -8 degrees Celsius, 20 minus will give you plus. So 22 plus 8, that means 30. So in this way you have found the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place, which is equal to 30 degrees Celsius. Now here we have part C. What is the temperature difference between the Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? As you know, the temperature of the Lahul Spiti is -8 degrees Celsius and the temperature of Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius. To find the temperature difference, we have to subtract these temperature. So as you know, in between -2 and -8, you can tell -2 is greater. So to find the difference, we have to write -2 first and then minus and then -8 degree Celsius. Now -2 minus will give you plus. Therefore, it will become -2 plus 8. And -2 plus 8 on solving, you will get +6 degree Celsius. So in this way, you can find the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar, which will be equal to the 6 degree Celsius. Now here we have part D. Can we say the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla? And is it also less than the temperature of Srinagar? Here we have to compare the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together with the temperature of Shimla and then the temperature of Srinagar. So as you know, the temperature of Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius and the temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. When they both are taken together, we have to add these temperature. So -2 degrees Celsius plus 5 degrees Celsius, you will get 3 degrees Celsius. Now we have to compare our temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together with the temperature of Shimla. And as you know, the temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. So as you can see that 3 degrees Celsius is less than the 5 degrees Celsius, or I can say that 3 degrees Celsius is less than the temperature of Shimla. So this is yes, the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla. Now we have to compare the temperature 3 degrees Celsius from the temperature of the Srinagar. So as you know, the temperature of Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius, and on comparing you will get the 3 degrees Celsius is not less than the -2 degrees Celsius, it is greater. Hence the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is not less than the temperature of Srinagar. Now moving on to question number 2. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for the incorrect answer. If Jack's score in 5 successive rounds were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? So these are the 5 marks that he got in 5 different rounds, and we have to find the total at the end. So for that we have to add all the marks he got in 5 different rounds. Now as you can see that Jack's score in 5 successive rounds are 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10, and total marks he got. So for that we have to add all the marks he got in each round. Now as you can see that 25 plus minus is minus, again plus minus is minus 10, plus 15 plus 10, isn't? Now 25 minus 5 will give you 20, then same minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. Now 20 minus 10 in the next step will give you 10, then plus 15, then plus 10. Now 10 plus 15 plus 10 will give you 35. So here you can see that Jack's got to 35 marks in the quiz. Here we have question number 3. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature on Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? So as you can see, we have to find the temperature on Tuesday as well as on the Wednesday. So initially the temperature on Monday at Srinagar was minus 5 degrees Celsius, and on Tuesday you can see it got dropped by or lowered by 2 degrees Celsius. And I have told you students that when it is a case of dropped by, then you have to subtract. So therefore minus 5 minus 2, we are subtracting minus 5 and minus 2. Now minus 5 minus 2 will give you minus 7 degrees Celsius. So this will be the temperature on Tuesday at Srinagar. Now on Wednesday, as you can see that the temperature rose by 4 degrees Celsius, and rose by means it got increased by. So the temperature on Tuesday was minus 7 and now it got increased by 4 degrees Celsius. So you have to add minus 7 and plus 4. And minus 7 plus 4 will give you minus 3, isn't? Now here we have found the temperature on Tuesday and Wednesday was minus 7 degrees Celsius and minus 3 degrees Celsius respectively. Question number 4 is, a plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meter above the sea level, and at a particular point it is exactly above a submarine which is floating 1200 meter below the sea level. Now we have to find the vertical distance between them, between the aeroplane and the submarine. As you know that above the zero level we have all the distances are in positive, and below the sea level we have all the distances in negative. So I have written here height of the plane is plus 5,000 meter and depth of the submarine will be minus 1200 meter. Now we have to find the distance between these two. Now to find the distance between these two, we have to subtract their distances from the level 0. Now 5,000 subtract minus 1200 meter, and you know minus minus will give you plus. Now 5,000 meter plus 1200 meter will give you 6,200 meter. Question number 5 is, Mohan deposits rupees 2,000 in his bank account and withdraws rupees 1,642 from it the next day. If withdrawal of the amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. So for the first part you have to just tell that how will you represent the amount deposited. Now as I have told you, the amount withdrawal will be in negative and the amount deposited will be in positive. So the part first answer will be the amount deposited will be represented in positive. Now with the positive integer. Okay, now we have to find the balance in the Mohan's account. So as you can see, the deposited amount will be rupees 2,000 and withdrawal amount will be rupees 1,642. Now to check the balance, what we have to do, we have to subtract the deposited amount and the withdrawal amount. So after subtracting you will get rupees 358. So this will be the amount that left in the Mohan's account after the withdrawal. Now here we have question number 6. Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to the point B and from B she moves 30 km towards west along the same road. If the distance towards east is represented by the positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards west, and by which integer will you represent her final position from A? Now, as I have told you earlier that the distance traveled towards east is represented by the positive integer, therefore the distance traveled towards the west will be represented by the negative integer. Now to the second part, I have drawn here a number line. Let us suppose Rita started her journey from point A, and first she traveled towards east the distance of 20 km, and let us suppose she reached at point B. सो उसने डिस्टेंस स्टार्ट किया ए से और उसने ट्रेवल किया ईस्ट डायरेक्शन में 20 किलोमीटर और वो पहुंच गई बी में. नाउ फ्रॉम बी शी ट्रेवल्ड 30 किलोमीटर टुवर्ड्स वेस्ट एंड आफ्टर ट्रेवलिंग शी रीच एट पॉइंट सी. वी आर जस्ट लेटिंग इट कि वो सी पॉइंट पे पहुंच गई वेस्ट की तरफ 30 किलोमीटर ट्रेवल करने के बाद. So as you know that distance traveled towards east is in positive and the distance traveled towards west in negative. Therefore I have written here from A to B the distance is 20 km because it is in the east direction, and towards B to C the distance will be in the negative one, that is minus 30 km. Now we have to find the distance from final position from A. That means from final position is C and she has started from A, therefore from A to C we have to find the distance from A to C, and to find the distance from A to C we have to add both the distances. So 20 plus minus 30. Now plus minus is minus, therefore 20 minus 30 kilometer, and 20 minus 30 will give you minus 10. Therefore distance traveled by Rita will be minus 10 kilometer. Now that's all for today, students. We will continue our chapter in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you.